Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect leads with ManyChat in 2026. Whether you want to grow your email list, capture customer information, or generate more sales opportunities, ManyChat makes the process fast and automatic. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your Facebook page or Instagram business account is already connected. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ***. Yeah, this is where you'll build your lead generation funnel. Now choose a trigger such as a keyword, Instagram comment, Facebook Messenger message, QR code, or a landing page link to start the conversation. Then create a friendly welcome message that encourages users to continue. After that, add *user input blocks to collect details like the visitor's name, email address, phone number, or any custom information you need. You can save this data automatically and even send it to Google Sheets, your CRM, or an email marketing platform using integrations. Before publishing, test your automation to make sure all the information is captured correctly. Once everything is working as expected, activate the flow and start collecting leads automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a lead generation automation with ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.